Hello everyone. In the last video, we have seen the absolute coordinate system, how it works. Okay. So in this video, we will be discussing about the relative rectangular coordinate system. So this system also is widely used, but in this system, we will be drawing the coordinates with respect to each other. That means if we consider any four coordinates, based on first coordinate, second coordinate will be, so that means if we take any coordinate as in one point as per our assumption and assuming it as origin, that is 0 comma 0. Okay. But if we assume that for any such distance, so then it will be measured from the 0 comma 0 ordinate only. That means from one ordinate to second, the distance measurement will be up to second one. Based on second ordinate, third ordinate will be taken, and based on third ordinate, fourth coordinate will be taken. Okay? So that means the distance will be taken from the coordinate which we have taken, the coordinates which we have taken. Okay? So let me open this AutoCAD interface. In this AutoCAD interface, we will be seeing the relative rectangular coordinate system in which we will be drawing the drawings using the relative rectangular coordinates. Okay. So let the interface be open. The AutoCAD be open. So let it be open. That's right. And the video. So getting open. Okay. So it will be open completely. So here let us click on the start drawing to start the drawings. Okay. So for this, click on this drawing, and here, so in this option, first of all, as per our assumption, so first we have to give the units, and then next the dimensions, and then the limits. Okay. So for that, click on this command option here and click on UN. That means the units will be appearing. Okay. Click on this UN. So here you can see the units have been appeared here. So click on this to make the units as per our consumption. Okay. So here, as you can see the units. So here in units, I am selecting the decimal type so that all the links will be taken in millimeters, centimeters. Okay. So here, if we take architectural and engineering, it will be in feet and meters, etc. Okay. So here I am taking it as a decimal only, so that we will be taking the measurements in mm. Okay. So here I am selecting the precision as 0.0 only. Okay. So here, after selecting this, here we can select the millimeters here. Okay. I am selecting the units as millimeters. Okay. So after selecting the millimeters, we have to click on OK option here. Okay. So after the units have been set, next we have to give the dimension units. Okay. For that, click on this option and click on this D. Click on this. Click on this dimension, access dimension or commands. Click on this one. Alright. So here we have to click on this enter. Okay. So here you can go for and create the dimension styles. You want let it be open. So here you can create the dimensions as per our requirement. If you want to change the arrow size or the text size, you can go for this and you can modify this one. Okay. So let me modify this. Okay. After modifying, here we can select the units whichever you want. So here there will be a number of units, that means scientific units will be there, decimal, engineering, architecture, etc. So here I am selecting the decimal one, so that the units will be taken in millimeters only. Okay. So I am taking the precision as 0.0 only. Okay. So let us click on this OK option. The units have been assigned for the AERO 25, and next we have to click on close here. So the dimension style has been given, the dimension settings. Next what we have to do is we have to give the limits for the sheet. So that means in this limits are also known as the boundaries, in which the boundaries for the workspace at which the drawings can be drawn. Okay. So for that the limits the workspace can be defined. Okay. So for that, on this command, click on this command and let us name it as the command as the LIM. Okay, here you can see limits will be given here. So click on this option. So first of all, we have to give the lower left corner, that means lower and left. So this is the lower left corner. So here we will be giving the limits as and giving it as 0, 0, 0, enter. And next I am giving the upper right corner limits. So for that I am giving it as 100, 100, and enter. So the limits have been given, and next the drawing sheet has been given as per our requirement. Okay. So here what we have to do is we have to learn about the relative coordinate system. Okay. So in relative coordinate system, so by relating to each point, other point has been given. That means from one coordinate, based on one coordinate, another coordinate will be given. Okay. So for that, generally it has been represented with the form, and so here after setting the limits, we will be going to draw the rectangle by using the relative coordinate system. Okay. So for that, click on this line option here. Observe here carefully in this box. Here I will be giving the coordinates. In this, let us give the coordinates at the origin. For that, at 0, 0. Click on enter option here. So here an ordinate has been taken here. So from here to the before only I have drawn the rectangle by using the coordinates. Okay. After drawing the coordinates here, I will be showing you what is the measurement, that means what are the dimensions we will be getting. Okay. So for that, click on this dimensions option here. Click on this one and click on this. So here you can see the dimensions are 8. Okay, from here to here will be the dimension will be the 5. Okay, so here you can clearly see. So now I will give the coordinates. Based on that coordinates, you will be easily able to understand how the relative coordinate system will be working. Okay, so for that I will take to and animate the all coordinates of the rectangle. Okay, since we have not gone into the towards the any upside, so here in y direction it will be 0. Okay, so next we will be going here in for the upside. So here you can see from this point to this point, this coordinate is at the rate 0, 5. That means, so from this point, the selected line is haven't the selected line haven't gone in this side or this side with respect to this coordinate. So the x distance will be meaning it as at the rate 0. That means it hasn't gone this direction or this direction with respect to this coordinate. Okay. So we are given the x as 0, comma, but it is going towards the y direction. Okay, so it is going in the y direction with the height of 5. Okay, so that means we have given the at the rate 0 comma 5. That means this height will be giving it as 5. Okay, so next we will be drawing this line. So this selected line is drawn with respect to these coordinates to this one. So now here clearly you can see from this coordinate, so from this coordinate to this coordinate, okay, the length is at 8. 8 here you can clearly see. So that means we have to draw the line which is of 8 meters distance. Okay, but here we cannot mention the distance, so we have to mention the coordinates. So here you can see at the rate, so at the rate a minus 8, that means minus is because this line is moving away from the x-axis. So here we will be giving it as minus 8. That means minus 8 mm distance. Okay, comma, since it is not moving in y direction, top or bottom, so we are giving it as comma 0. Okay, comma 0 here you can clearly give it. Yeah. Okay, in this way, by using this coordinate has been built and this line has been drawn. Okay, next let us use this line. Okay, so for this line here you can clearly see this line has been drawn. Okay, this line has been drawn with the help with respect to these coordinates. That means from this coordinate to this coordinate the distance is 5. Okay, here you can see it is 5. Okay, but the line is coming towards the downside. That means the coordinate is towards the downside, so we are giving it as minus 7. How much the distance from here to here? It is 5, so we are giving it as minus 5. That means the ordinate is moving towards the downside, that's why it is negative. So how much it is moving? It is 5. So here minus 5 we have there. But here you can see that from this point to this point, this line is not moving anywhere in x direction. So that is why we have taken it as at the rate of 0. That means in x direction it is moving nowhere. So we are considering it as 0. Okay. So in this way, this coordinate has been given. After drawing the coordinates, all of these 4 of the lines for the rectangle has been given. Okay, so in this way all the coordinates have been taken and the rectangle has been drawn. Okay, in this way the rectangular relative coordinate system will be working. Okay, thank you.